How to set up a flex sensor with Arduino. In this video, I will use the WisBlock RAK12016 flex sensor. Attach the RAK12016 onto the WisBlock base model core. Connect via USB and open Arduino. Select the WisBlock core RAK4631 board. The RAK12016 is also compatible with the ESP32 and RP2040 boards from the WisCore family. Open your browser and go onto docs.rakwireless.com. Search for 12016. Select Quick Start Guide. Scroll down to sample code and copy. Go back to Arduino and Control Paste. Then go to Library Manager and install RAKwireless MQX library. Then go to Tools, Port, COM15, select Save, then Upload. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor to view logs. The RAK12016 is now communicating with the WisBlock core. For more information, please visit the link down below.